My name is Anup Nigam. I'm an international motivational speaker and corporate trainer. I'm back with another video to give you awareness so that you can lead a disease-free life. So today we'll try to understand how important are micronutrients to stay fit. Macronutrients have always been given importance for health and athletic performance, but somewhere the micronutrients are completely left out. Vitamins and minerals, as the name comes from a Latin word vita, meaning life, and amine, as the biochemist called Casimir Funk, who learnt about them, thought that they contained amino acids, hence the word amine. Minerals are substances that are found naturally within the earth's crust. Vitamins and minerals are the micronutrients, as they are measured in milligrams or micrograms. Vitamins are called essentials as the body cannot produce them. They have to be consumed through our food or through the dietary supplements to get them adequately. Vitamins and minerals play a very important role in metabolism of carbohydrates and fats, which are used as fuel by the muscles. They are also involved in repair and building of muscles after a training session. For everyone who works very hard in the gym, the energy metabolism and protein synthesis is absolutely important. These functions are driven by the metabolic enzymes. Metabolic enzymes are substances that carry out loads of function in the body for reproduction and replenishment of the cells. Pancreas are the primary organs that produce and release these metabolic enzymes. These enzymes are also responsible for flushing out toxins from the body and also producing energy from the nutrients that we consume. One of the major causes of wrinkles, bone loss, and illness in elderly people is the inability of the pancreas to produce these metabolic enzymes due to aging. These metabolic enzymes require coenzymes which will initiate and aid in the function of enzymes. The B vitamins serve as the coenzymes that help in conversion of food into fuel and energy production. The various B complex vitamins like the thiamine or B1 and niacin or B3 not only help in conversion of nutrients into energy, but niacin also helps in manufacturing hormones and regulate the cholesterol. Riboflavin or B2 and pantothenic acid or B5 helps in production of energy and producing red blood cells in the body. Pyroxidin or B6 is especially important for those crazy for muscle building and body building, as this vitamin helps in protein building and strengthens the immune system. Biotin or B7, folic acid or B9 and cobalamin or B12 again help in conversion of nutrients into energy. Cobalamin helps in keeping the red blood cells healthy, thus enhancing their ability to carry oxygen to the cells. Important to note, biotin or B7 deficiency is generally found in people who consume raw eggs. The egg whites contain a protein called avidin, which binds with the biotin and stops its absorption. Cooking the eggs deactivates the avidin. As well as consuming raw eggs is very risky as it results in serious health problems like diarrhea and vomiting due to presence of a bacteria called the salmonella. So all those Salman Khan fans need to watch out before gulping a pitcher full of raw eggs. Vitamin A, C and E are of equal importance for an exercising individual. Exercise leads to development of reactive oxygen species, or commonly known as the free radicals. Reactive oxygen species is a phrase used for free radicals produced by the molecular oxygen. The production of oxygen-based radicals, ROS, is harmful for all the aerobic species. These oxygen-based radicals develop even during normal aerobic respiration, but while exercising, the demand for oxygen is increased for these cells, especially during endurance training and during the excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, which is post-weight training. These ROS cause cell damage, drop in immune system, bone loss and muscle loss, resulting to a drop in performance. Some amount of vitamin C and E is already there in the tissues, which is transferred into the bloodstream to handle minor stress while aerobic respiration. Having said that, while exercising, the stress increases tremendously as the demand for oxygen is very high, hence there is depletion of vitamin C and E. These should then be immediately supplied through dietary supplements in adequate quantity. Vitamin A plays a very crucial role not only as antioxidant but also to improve vision. Any physical activity depletes these vitamins and minerals, and the need for these vital nutrients increases. They have to be supplied through dietary supplements to achieve optimal performance in the workouts and to stay fit. Well, I hope this information can help you to understand how micronutrients are important to stay fit. If you think that this information has helped you, then please like this video and share it with others also so that they can also become disease free. So I wish you a very healthy and disease free life. Thank you very much for listening to me.